Modern battlefields generate a flood of data: radar, video, cell signals, intercepted comms, satellite imagery. In contested zones, intel is useless unless it's fast, fused, and trustworthy. That's where OpenInfer comes in. Lightweight and software-based. It runs at the edge. No cloud needed. It fuses noisy, multimodal data in real time. No pre-processing required. From soldiers on patrol to intelligence analysts and unit commanders, get what matters surfaced by mission relevance. Every alert includes sources, confidence, and explainable reasoning. We flag gaps, detect hallucinations, and help you fill them. From fragmented signals to emerging threats, we highlight what's changing now. Designed for warfighters, not data scientists. OpenInfer empowers fast, trusted decisions. OpenInfer. Smarter AI at the tactical edge. Built for decision. Powered by trust.